What's up, guys? Now that is a pretty interesting title. Why you don't need a mentor. I am actually a mentor to hundreds, if not thousands of individuals. And I'm telling you, and I'm asking you or telling you why you don't need a mentor. Well, let me tell you this right now. I just sat down in front of a group of roughly 60 individuals, and I asked them very specifically, do you have a mentor? Who is your mentor? And a couple people raised their hands. And I said, awesome, let's talk about that. So who's your mentor? How long have you been with him or her? What are they advising you on? How much are you paying for them? How long have you been with them? And almost each and every person I talked to, except for one, said, well, when I really mean I have a mentor is I really watch a lot of YouTube videos or listen to so-and-so's podcast. And I really take to heart what they say and I execute on what they teach. And awesome, I gave them a massive round of applause. But that is not what I am talking about. Let me ask you a different question real quick. Are you actually achieving where or the results that you want to achieve? Are you actually at in life and in business the results that you want to be or at the level you want? And this is a very interesting thing as someone who coaches and trains a ton of real estate investors, both newbies and experienced vets who are looking to grow, is I would ask and pose you this simple question. Did Michael Jordan have a coach? Did Bo Jackson have a coach? Do any athlete have coaches? Does someone like Tony Robbins, who I got to spend some time with, have mentors and coaches? Gary Vee have mentors and coaches. And I can promise you this, they all have mentors and coaches. The difference being some actually hire them and spend time with them and engage with them for a very specific reason versus someone who might just watch a bunch of YouTube videos or listen to someone's podcast and feel as if that is their mentor or coach. I would challenge you to think about this idea. By the way, let me stop here right now. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have not yet joined the Science of Flipping Academy group, go over there on Facebook and join the Science of Flipping Academy group because I am happy to be your guiding light in real estate investing. Now, getting back to this, I would tell people you don't need a mentor or a coach if you are completely satisfied with where you are. That is why you would not need one. I believe in coaching and mentoring so much, guys, that quite literally each and every year, I will typically hire a new coach or mentor or join a new mastermind or group so that I can continue to elevate where I'm at. The idea has to be is I'm not happy yet where I am at. And I'll be very honest with you, for you A-type people, for those people that are looking to always achieve, you probably will never be completely satisfied. And I'm okay with that. I'm actually okay with never being 100% satisfied with where I'm at in terms of business and success. I believe I will always be striving for more. But one thing I for sure know, Michael Jordan had a head coach, he had a shooting coach, he had a fitness coach, he had a mental coach. I mean, people that are really serious about achieving greatness, they know one thing is they can't do it alone. And they also know others are more of an expert in that one specific area than they are. Was Michael Jordan fit and could he have maintained fitness? Absolutely. But one thing I can tell you, Tim Grover, his fitness coach, will tell you this, is he needed to be able to bulk up and gain more weight so he can endure the length of the season and his entire career. If he would have just relied on staying in shape, which by all means people would think he is in shape, then he wouldn't want or need that coach. But he knew that he had to endure the beatings when he went to the rack and had to go straight to the rim. He knew he had to endure the Detroit Pistons, who were super physical, and he would see them 4, 6, 8 times in a given season, let alone the playoffs. He knew he had to have more, he needed more muscle, but he also knew he needed to have the endurance and the physical shape it took to endure that. So what he did is he went out and got a physical coach. Now, did he need to continue to practice in coaching his jump shot? 100%. So he had a shooting coach to continue to make him the shooter we all know Michael Jordan to be. So what I ask you, are you satisfied in your real estate investing business? Are you getting deals done, whether it's wholesale, fix and flip, or buy and hold? And if you are satisfied, fine, so be it. Maybe you do not need a mentor or a coach, and I can compliment you and give you a round of applause. But if you are not, and you want to achieve more, and you want to be able to have more deals, more cash flow, bigger profits, then I will tell you this: get yourself a coach, get yourself a mentor. If it's not me, find somebody. Because I will tell you, the moment that I paid for coaching, which I didn't even have money to do, I called a friend and asked for a $25,000 loan. It was the best decision I've ever made. I literally went from getting a couple deals a year done to now doing, I'm creeping up on 1,500 deals that I have done as a wholesaler, as a rehabber, as a wholetailer. I've even developed properties. Do you think I could be where I'm at today without that? So I encourage you guys to think of this. I do encourage you to continue watching all of my YouTube channels. Anything you can get for free, you absolutely must do that. Continue to listen to my podcast, The Science of Flipping, on iTunes. Continue to watch the trainings and engage in the Science of Flipping Academy Facebook group. 100%. I encourage you to do that and to get all of that information for free. But if you're interested or need to get to the next level, you want more, you need more, you know this is the very best time to get into real estate and be a real estate investor, then find yourself a mentor or coach. It will change your life. It will change your business. If it is not me, which I'd love to talk to you, if you want to talk to me about coaching and mentoring and being a part of either a group that I coach each and every week or even one-on-one, I'd love to talk to you about that. But if it is not me, find yourself that coach, that mentor that you can go out and follow and simply not have to figure it out for yourself, but simply have a blueprint given to you so that you don't make the mistakes, you go further faster, and you can achieve great results. Hopefully this was a little bit of a mind bend for you guys. I kind of spun it with how I introduced the videos, but I will tell you, if you want to achieve greatness, there is no great athlete or businessman or businesswoman that has not had a coach or a mentor for quite some time. Hopefully this finds you guys well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go join the Science of Flipping Academy group. I'll see you guys on the next training. Peace.